Viper 1 from Jungle Survival. We'll be here on spot where we're shooting the Swarm, Gamo Swarm Whisper X10 22 caliber. We're shooting at 50 yards to 100 yards at that second balloon out there. We'll be shooting with that range. Test the ability for the drop, and we're using 17 grain pellets by Ruger Super Points. So please stand by. Got it. Got that bad boy. Hello, this is Viper 1 for Jungle Survival. We're here to do a hot wash on that shoot we had the other day. This is the next day. We ran late to do a mop up, so I'll do one now. We shot the Gamo Swarm Whisper 22 caliber X10 or 10X. We shot at 100 yards. You know, one thing for sure, this thing's beat you up. If you're not used to breaking barrels, this thing will beat you up. I mean, I am major sore, head, neck, triceps ripped. It's a hard cocker, and it's a hard hitter. At 100 yards, I was using 17 grain Rugers, and I tell you what, it went the distance. This thing pushed that out to go to a distance of 100 yards to hit center mass on a balloon that had flour inside. You can see the explosion with the flour coming out. Other than that, this thing is a hard hitter. For the price I paid for it, I'm not going to give the disclose price, because people complain about posting, trying to sell stuff. I'm not trying to sell. I'm just trying to show you the quality and what my experiences are with this weapon. This is a good weapon here. I got multi-mags. I got 4 mags with this, but you know, with that being said, compensating, the scope I put on, I have to take it off because my bag's too small. It won't fit, so I got to take it off, put it on. That's without dialing it in. I was still hitting 100 yards away without dialing it in. I'm pretty impressed. I mean, for a break barrel going 100 yards, taking the scope off, putting it on, and go, can't beat it. Cannot beat it. This is my major backup weapon in situations, whatever case may be. But with that being said, if you like the video, like and subscribe. Hit subscribe for me, please, because this helps me move ahead and do the purpose of doing these videos. But I appreciate your subscription. And here at Jungle Ghost, we say, be no do, be it, know it, and do it.